Have you got your driver's license?
Yes.
Let's see it then. That looks like you, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks like I'm a criminal though.
Does it?
Aye.
Not really. How are you feeling?
A little nervous.
Yeah.
Aye.
This is Joe. Joe's got his test.
Ben.
Right?
Ben?
Ben? Where are we getting a Joe from? Damn. Ben's got his 1014 test. First attempt. How are you feeling? Confident or
Nervous.
nervous? If he lets his nerves get the better, he's not going to pass. He should pass easy, but whether he can do it on the big deal. When you get in the car, the examiner, just put your license in there, yeah? Have a couple. Just heading towards Durham. Sound the horn. Open and close window. Tipped headlights. Front window, windows and washers. Clean the front window. Back window. Oh, dude, you're good, aren't you? Well done, with what? 50 miles an hour?
But there's nothing really in front of me, so it's
Well
hard.
done. Need the lefty.
Yeah.
Parallel park time.
I'm not BMW.
Please, yeah. Straight your stuff, young man.
I'm quite a way away from him, like.
That's alright.
I'll leave. Yeah.
You look over your right shoulder? Did you?
I think so.
Okay, I believe you.
I don't know if it was right over my right shoulder, like. Is that mirror chip?
Slide across. No, just slide across. It'll go up itself.
Oh.
Oh, well, it would have gone up itself.
Why has it changed so much? This person's way on me now.
Yeah. Don't rush, just take your time. Pressure's on, young man. Yeah, well done. Good stuff. Is that mirror correctly?
There you go, that's what we do.
Really like that front bend. Lots of traffic waiting, stays cool, calm, don't you? Good observations, just good accuracy. Could have been a bit close, I suppose. But most importantly, he got his footwork right. What was your footwork doing?
I was just pressing the brake rather
Yeah,
than the
you had the clutch to the floor. Well done. Brake control, driver, when you're ready. Really good standard from Ben. Last time Ben done a mock test, he had one serious and two minors. Tell him what the serious for, Ben.
The last one, car park, reverse.
What happened?
Someone came behind me and I didn't stop. I didn't say them.
No.
Yeah, was it not?
When you done the reverse out the bay, which way did you drive the car?
Oh, out the wrong way of the car park.
You drove the wrong way out the car park. So have a look at those arrows. See them?
Yeah, so then you go left.
Yes. But that was really good standard. Well done.
You know when I do it, do I have to ask to look out the door? Can I just open it?
Just put your parking brake on, put your run. Just if he says, "Are you happy with that?"
Just look out.
Just look out. Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah.
Yeah.
He wouldn't ask for that because he knows exactly it's really perfect practically. Yeah. Check your blind spots because I've had people come over this embankment. Now, can you drive into one?
Whatever. Could it just be anyone? Like
Anyone you want. Right, back it out.
That's alright now. Don't like this car parked on a slight hill.
Might come here this morning.
Oh yeah. Hope I get a nice examiner.
They're all nice if you drive safely. Don't drive safely, not get a nice one. Concentrate. Stop. That was perfect. What did you do there?
More aggressive, I would say, but I mean, like.
Well, it felt different, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. Really good technique. Well done. That's the standard you want. Put a signal on to move off road. Tell the oncoming traffic in the van behind.
Yeah.
But don't forget them blind spots if you do that today, yeah?
Yep. Pull it up quick.
Yes. And then pull it again. And then go and open the bonnet. Wow, Ben's drove to a really high standard this morning, very smooth. I'm expecting the first time passee with no more than one minor fault. Really good standard, Ben. And then go and reverse in the test center with the beer.
Right, and then reverse.
Right, yeah.
Just the end one.
Will have to be, won't it? I'll do this one here, look.
This one here?
Yeah.
To do this hard. Should be alright.
No dry, Stephen.
Ain't enough there, or?
Well, you're in, but I wouldn't be. I'm not going to get out of there, am I?
Oh.
You're going to have to fix that, aren't you?
Damn.
It's tight. Hang on a minute, this pre-handbrake I'm putting you on. Yeah, they're a bit tightened, so you'll have to go a bit closer.
Oh, I did that pretty well.
It was good, it was really good, but there's a car here, so you're just going to have to give it a bit more room. You want the examiner to get in the car, don't you?
No.
Because you just watch your own video, shouldn't you? Watch you drive.
Yeah, you just watch this one back.
That would be less stressful, wouldn't it? Just put some right hand down. Right hand down.
Just as close on my side as possible.
Yes. I know you haven't got much room on your side. And straighten it up. That'll do. That'll do for me. How much room have you got on your side?
Enough, I mean, I'm going to open my door into the bush, but it'll be alright.
Right, what were we going to say? Now, if he says you want your trainer to come with you, say no.
Yeah.
You said you want him there at the end, say yes.
Alright.
You got that? Right, we're at the test centre. Ben has drove to a really good standard. Give us a prediction what you're going to see.
Don't know. If I'm going to fail, it's going to be for something stupid.
Well, you always all say that. Pass or fail?
Pass, hopefully.
How many faults?
4.
4. I'm going for 1 today. 1 fault. So, first time, 1 minor. Right, have you any questions before we go in?
Don't think so, no.
The last time I had a guy drive to this standard, the hour before, was a lad called Scott. And he went out and failed. He had 8 minor faults and he had 1 serious fault. Guess what he failed for?
Too close to a car.
Yes, how did you know that?
Just a guess. That's what most of them are, aren't
I don't know. Just, yeah, you got too close to park car. The exams is stay away, you're getting too close. A really good standard. I expect to come back with one minor clean sheet and he comes back and fails, so you're going to have to be on your game today,
Mhm.
yeah?
Well, you know, when I started talking to him, so
Well, we're back off test with my main man, Ben. Tell him what you've done.
I've passed.
Tell him how many faults.
0.
0, no faults again. I had a driving test yesterday. Got the same examiner. Guess what they done?
No faults.
No, he said, didn't he?
Aye.
He says that's 2 in 2 days. What a star, really good standard this one, well done. Have to thank his dad, because his dad took him out, didn't he?
Yeah.
What was the examiner like?
It was nice, just talking to me all the
Was he?
time. Yeah.
Because you could see that you could drive, yeah?
Yeah.
What manoeuvre did you do?
Reverse Bay Park.
Did you?
Yeah, you know, little.
Yes.
Come on, yeah, I just did it in there.
At the end?
Yeah.
Wow.
I think he was trying to get me to do a parallel park because he went down a side road, but then there was another learner who I think was on test doing one.
Yes.
So then we just had to, I just waited for them.
Did you?
Because they were in the way. I didn't want to fail them, you know, like.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, well done. Did you do the emergency stop?
Nah.
Did you thought you passed when you pulled up?
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah. But if I didn't, I thought it was going to be something stupid, like. But it was all alright.
What did it feel like then?
It was fine. It was less nervous than your mock test.
Was it?
Aye.
Why is that?
I don't know. I was just proper calm that day.
Well, you took advice off your dad.
Uh-huh.
Well done. That's amazing.